So UF is preparing me for my future career through letting me dictate what research that I'm able to do and the skills that I'm gaining within my research. With my advisor, I have these intentional conversations pretty much every year where we're going over what skills I hope to gain and how that will drive me towards the career I want to have. I want to do R&D-based research in industry, whether that is with a company or a hospital or in a different capacity. And so making sure I have the skills that make me competitive as an applicant and allow me to be successful within the field. For someone considering chemical engineering at UF, I would say be intentional about talking to students and professors within the department. You really want to have an idea of what you want as far as lab culture, or are there people that you could see yourself working with within the department? I would say if you're considering UF or any school in general, you should have at least 3 professors, 3 labs that you're open to working with before you make a final decision. When I was applying for grad school, I narrowed it down to 3 schools, and I visited all 3 schools. They all had really strong chemical engineering grad programs. They had both biologic-based research as well as material-based research. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do in grad school, so that was important to me. I visited all these schools and I was able to talk to different professors and the students there, and UF really stood out that the students here seemed happy. They were enjoying their time in the grad school. And then the last thing that I was really considering was the collaboration within the department. I wanted to go to a school that was collaborative and not competitive within the grad program, as well as the cost, the price of living to the stipend that I was receiving as a grad student. I didn't want to be stressed financially when I was going to grad school. One lesson that I learned here at UF, specifically in my lab in general, is how to communicate better. So communication is a two-way street. Even if I'm communicating, I can't force somebody else to communicate, but trying to make it establish where communication can happen and making sure I'm at least being transparent in what I'm doing. It'll really help you grow and making sure that you stay on top of everything that you're doing. The University of Florida is a warm environment where not just the weather is warm, but also the people that are here.